Welcome to Liming with Courtney. Today I'd like to speak with you about COVID-19. Earlier this afternoon, the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton, held a press briefing where he indicated that Jamaica has its first recorded case of COVID-19. The individual arrived in Jamaica on March 4, but did not report to a health facility until March 9. Since then, the individual has been placed in isolation and is being monitored. As a result of this first case, I'd just like to share with you a few pointers. I'm certainly not a medical doctor, but I have been reading about this virus for a few months and just like to give a few pointers. There certainly is no cure for this virus, but there are steps that we all can take to help minimize the risk of contracting this virus as well as spreading the virus. Some items you can use to help disinfect your space are rubbing alcohol, hydrogen peroxide 3%, hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol, vodka, bleach, distilled white vinegar, and good old soap and water. I would encourage you all to listen to any press briefings from the Honorable Minister. I would also encourage you to visit the website for the Center for Disease Control. They give very frequent updates, and of course, the news is also of much assistance. I know that Lysol spray has been flying off the shelves, but you can also consider purchasing the liquid form of Lysol. As you see on the bottle here, it makes up to 5 gallons, so you can mix it with water and it can last a long period of time. You can also consider purchasing Dettol and Pine Sol. Public gathering is discouraged, and non-essential travel is also discouraged. It is important to remember that we should not panic. Just try and wash your hands as often as possible and keep your hands away from your nose and your mouth. Let us try to be our brother's keeper and do what we can to minimize the risk of spreading this virus. Thank you all for tuning in. Until next time, this has been Liming with Courtney.